next 3 days.
We are all heading to the pool at the Riviera Resort. We are ready for some slide time. Fun in the sun. Splash pad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be nice. It's beautiful today, nice and hot. Perfect day for the pool. This is the main pool over here. There's also a quiet pool right there. This main pool has the swimming pool and the splash pad. We have this whole section to ourselves. This is perfect, you guys. We got the Skyliners over there, the Riviera over here, slide. Perfect. Okay, I think it's time to get out the GoPro, switch it up and head into the water. You want to do the GoPro?
The GoPro.
All right, I'll get you out the GoPro. You can do some camera work for us. Sound good?
All right.
I'm watching us waterslide again. It is so much fun. You do not want to believe this. I'm gonna go this way.
Aloha. Aloha. We're gonna check out Bar Riva, get some drinks. Okay. Really cute in here. Outdoor bar. There's a little Disney cruise ship. Fun. What'd you get?
I got the Riviera spiked iced tea.
All right. So you guys got the hibiscus.
Yep.
This is non-alcoholic.
Non-alcoholic.
Wow. Tastes like a flower.
Yeah.
Tastes like a very yummy flower.
I knew you would like it.
It's like a lemonade. You want to try it, Ellie?
They're showing how they get this out to me.
Is it good? You don't like it? Tastes like a strawberry flower, I think.
Wait, can I try it?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like yogurt.
Look at
I
that.
got frosé. It's really good.
Caitlin got frosé. I got the Riviera iced tea, and it's good.
It's very good. We
Yeah.
had the perfect spot for watching the family coming down the slide.
We're just hanging out.
And I'm gonna go down that slide here soon.
All right, we'll get you.
Woo, Emery! There's the fam down there. You want to take the GoPro down? All right. Nani and Papa are lounging over here.
Yeah. Hanging in Alani with Nani.
Alani with Nani. Looks nice, guys.
Living our lives.
This little one's sleeping. I know. This little one's taking a nap. This is that little lawn area where they do the movie and do lawn games. They had Moana going on there the other night.
Yep.
We're just kind of walking around. You do have to exit the pool area to go to the bathroom, so we thought we'd come over here by the gelato cart. I want to look at it and see if there's something that we might want to get in a little bit. This is just the cutest little gelato cart.
Pretty cool.
How cute!
Look at that.
So let's see, they have vanilla, chocolate, mint chocolate chip, strawberry mango, cookies and cream chocolate chip. So we might have to come back. So cute. It's like a little bike. They do have the life vests here for the kiddos, which is really nice. You could just pop one of those on. You can go down the slide in it if you need. Sophia likes to use the life vest, so that makes it really easy. Here's the courtyard area.
We got bocce ball.
They got bocce ball going over there.
And then they set up cornhole boxes over there, so you can play cornhole.
That's so fun.
Yep.
Yeah, they have lots of activities and things to do around here. Here's the quick service restaurant where we ate the other night. Here's Bar Riva where we got our drinks. Here's the guys over here playing some cornhole. Who's winning, Luke?
They're up by 1.
So it's a pretty close game, huh? Let's see some good throws here, guys. Come on, Corey. Oh, man. Whoa. All right, got that one on film. Got my cheddar popcorn. It's so addicting. The churro popcorn is also really, really, really good. But this cheddar popcorn is delicious. It's a perfect pool snack. I'm just gonna sit here and eat all this popcorn. I'm gonna eat it while Corey's playing cornhole because otherwise he'd eat the whole bag and I wouldn't get any. I'm a big slide guy. Love me a good pool slide. Riviera slide. So fun. Way longer than other slides. If you guys have a favorite resort slide or favorite resort pool, let us know. I'm a big fan of the Riviera pool slide. Along with our pool day at Disney's Riviera. We had such a blast with the family, hanging out, soaking up the sun. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more.
Goodbye.
Bye!